Hello, and now we're going to talk about the requirements of this feature. We want to cache the result of the serial decoding on disk, and this way we can reuse our cached result from the decoded to show it on the screen when the user relaunch our app. So basically, we're going to use our cache, and the cache will be on disk. So now we need some way to use a persistent storage. So we also want to add another feature, which is continuous listening to any change of that serial. Based on the change of that serial will result in a change in the screen. So we want to show the change on the screen. So this approach you might think of reactive extension programming, and it seems like for me it's reactive extension, and we will use Flow for this case. You can also apply other reactive extension programming, but I believe Flow is currently for Android is the best. So especially with Compose as well. Alright, so now what can we use for having a persistent storage? So we have a couple of components we can use: shared preference data store, proto data store, room database, and we also have a real database. I haven't really tried it out yet, but I think it's Kotlin library, and it's being used, I think, in KMM projects. Moving on, I'm not gonna get into its details now. So which one should we use in the shared preference, or which data store, or if we're gonna use a database? That's what we're gonna talk about next.